Hello my friend, this is Jack. Today, we want to show our pellet machine factory to you and introduce all our pellet making machines one by one. Okay, let's go. This is our wood chipper machine, processing all the wood-related materials into wood chips. This is the first section for the wood pellet making. This is the feeding of the wood chipper. The wood chipper machine will cut the wood into chips and discharge the wood chips from the output side. This is a hammer mill machine for the pellet making. This is the second section for the pellet making, processing the wood chips from the wood chipper machine into the sawdust. This is the belt conveyor, feeding the wood chips to the hammer mill machine. This is the inside structure of the hammer mill machine. This is the screener and this is the shaft and hammer knife. This is a rotary dryer machine. Remove the moisture from the sawdust. For making wood pellets, you should keep the moisture at 10% to 15%. This is the pellet machine section, processing the dried sawdust into wood pellets, feeding the sawdust by the belt conveyor to the silo. The silo above the pellet machines. For the pellet machines we have two series. This is the flat die pellet machine. This is the vertical ring die pellet machine. They can all be used to make wood pellets. We will show you the inside structure of the flat die pellet machine. The roller will rotate on the flat die, and the flat die will be fixed, and the pellets will come out from the holes of the flat die. This is our vertical ring die pellet machine. This is the inside structure. The wood pellets will come out from the holes of the pellet machine. After the wood pellets come out from the pellet machine, it will be sent to the pellets cooler because the temperature is very high. This is the pellets cooler, the counterflow pellet cooler. The function of the pellet cooler is cool down the temperature of the wood pellets to the normal temperature. The wood pellets will come out from here. This is the pellet packing machine. Pack the wood pellets into small bags. For the weight of each bag, you can adjust from 15 to 50 kg per bag. This is our pellet machine assembling site. This is our laser cutting section. Cut the steel plate for needed. This is a plate rolling machine. This machine is needed in the rotary dryer manufacturing. This is the pellet machine ring die. Different raw material need different ring die. This is the balancing machine. This matters the hammer mill performance. These are the pellet samples we have made before. More than 200 kinds of materials have been tested. These are our pellet machines in stock, ready for delivery. These are our hammer mill machine in stock. If you have any needs about pellet making, contact with us freely.